All right, let's explore India, a land just bursting with color, culture, and incredible stories. Our journey starts on a day of national pride, one that's celebrated in every single school. On this special day, students gather early around the flagpole, feeling so proud and excited. Then, the head teacher pulls the rope, the flag unfurls, and everyone sings the national anthem. You see, our flag tells a story. Saffron is for courage, white for peace, and green for prosperity. That Constitution is our foundation. And symbols of our identity are everywhere, even in your pocket. Yeah, I'm talking about currency notes. They're like tiny museums, holding clues to India's identity. But it's not just his portrait. You'll see, our money tells us so much more. Yup, every single note celebrates our heritage with monuments, languages, and important national symbols. And look closely for those tiny spectacles. They remind us of Gandhiji's focus on cleanliness. What a powerful emblem, right? It reminds us of who we are and what makes us proud. Okay, riddle time. Think of a big, powerful animal that roams our forests. Got it? That's right, the tiger. It's a great reminder to protect our wildlife. Ready for another one? Okay, this beautiful bird is just a joy to watch, especially when it's dancing. Any guesses? These symbols unite us, and so do our words, in all their amazing variety. Over 1,000. That's how many languages are spoken across India, each with its own rich history. And that's just for one word. You see the same variety in our clothes, food, and music too. From a vibrant safa to a simple topi, even the hats people wear tell a unique story. And the music, from the beat of a drum to graceful dances, every single rhythm tells a story. It's like a forest, The more types of trees, the stronger it is. That's India. So all these different threads weave together to make one strong, vibrant nation. So we have ancient yoga and modern rockets all existing side by side. How cool is that? So think about it. What makes you feel proud to be part of this